What a beautiful way to start a Monday. You're looking at the river and the bridges from our CHI Memorial camera right from the Edwin Hotel. What a beautiful day today. Hopefully we'll see more of this as the week progresses.
Yeah, we've been spoiled a little bit. Not just what we're seeing lately, but if you go back for the past 2 weeks, all the way back to late August, most days have been in the blue. That means they've been below average. The only exception, that heat from late last week. And really for the next several days, we'll stay in the blue. But in the longer range, those last final days of summer heading into next week, well, things will start heating up, as they typically do in September. But here we go. Temperatures for today were below average by 5 degrees on either end. High of 81, low 61. But for many spots, you were cooler than that. Yeah, for many away from the city, easily low to mid 50s. I think the same thing can be expected again tomorrow morning, even in the city, dropping down to the upper 50s. But today, with the sunshine and the very dry air, for most, everyone's kind of trended just below the 80-degree mark. A couple of spots just right around 80, 70s for most. But I think tomorrow we'll start trending a little higher, low 80s, mid 80s on Wednesday. But still, the mornings will be very, very comfortable. But of course, with the dry air in place, nothing to show you on radar. That gets a break for the next several days. Clouds are out there, so we'll have a fair to at times partly cloudy sky overnight. But all the rain is farther down to the south, down along the northern part of Florida, down through the peninsula, then off the U.S. East Coast. Meanwhile, high pressure across the Great Lakes and Northeast is applying us to that dry northeast breeze, and that'll hold on for the next several days, blocking anything else from moving in. So our weather pattern largely unchanged. We'll have cool mornings, but each day that goes by, those afternoons start getting a little bit warmer. So by tomorrow morning, temperatures again in the 50s. Couple of spots could be as low as the low 50s early. Throughout the afternoon, plenty of sunshine, still getting that dry breeze in the northeast. Highs upper 70s, low 80s, still below average. Going through Wednesday, not much will change either. Mornings very comfortable, but late day temperatures will start trending more low, even mid 80s by late day, but still is mainly dry. We might see a few more clouds coming in here on Thursday. Very weak disturbance coming in from the north and west, but I think a lot of that moisture is in the upper levels. So have some clouds in here Thursday, but any rain chance remains very, very small. And I still think it's going to be very dry all the way through the upcoming weekend. So your planner tomorrow is going to plan on a cool start. Temperatures mid to upper 50s, a little bit warmer through the afternoon, but still very low humidity. High temperatures again, upper 70s and low 80s. Now I mentioned that warming trend. This is the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook, taking us to the heart of next week. Now, typically for next week, your average high is in the mid 80s. We're going to start seeing highs trending though upper 80s and low 90s for that final full week of summer next week. So it's felt like fall lately, but summer hasn't finished just yet. As far as our 7-day forecast, it still looks nice and comfortable. Lows in the 50s through late week, but afternoon highs trending higher. By the weekend, we'll see highs upper 80s, but still comfortable in the morning with low 60s, and it's still mainly dry through the start of next week.
All right, David Glenn, thanks so much. Right now, look at the exclusive traffic tracker out there. 24 eastbound and westbound, both some trouble spots there for you tonight. Also 75 southbound around 153, and more issues in Hicks.